Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about SLP coin smooth low portion. Guys, in this video I'm going to do a technical analysis, and this video I'm going to detect the next move, the next roadmap of SLP coin. So keep watching this video complete because this video is going to surprise video for all of you. Keep watching, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Anyways, guys, the right now price of SLP coin is about 0.07062 USD dollar, and the changes of SLP coin are going negative 10.86%. 10.86% price changes occur in the last 24 hours. Oh my god, going completely at the loss. Furthermore, guys, you can see if we study the price chart, so you can see here just that is last 1 day price chart, and I think completely, guys, the SLP coin price going in the lows. You can see here completely, and now at the last SLP start jumping, guys. You can see from here, so there is a support line and there is a resistance line, guys. Now when they strike the support line, so now this bounce up, and now in the right now situation you can see the price is in the pumping mode, but the changes is negative, guys. And very soon, guys, if they continue like that, jumps like that, changes, so very soon the changes will become positive, and if the changes becomes positive, so obviously you get profit, guys. Anyways, guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more news and update videos.